Yeah, hello there. So I stayed for the night at Easy Hotel, £39, so not bad. It's pretty basic. You got your shower, but seemingly no hairdryer. That was the only snag. Maybe there's one at reception. Just get toilet paper, hand soap. Here's your bed. It's pretty cramped in the room, but fine for one person. Basic decor. Blackout curtains were good. Now, there was a major construction site right outside the window, but I couldn't hear anything from inside the room, so that was great. So, yeah, I had a peaceful night. No frills, no kettle in the morning, but it was easy to go out and very convenient to reach either Queen Street Station or to go into the city centre. And yeah, here's the street sound you can hear outside, but it was totally silent in my room. So everything was fantastic, I thought. And for £39, it didn't go wrong.
You can, but it don't get packed.
And I want
Lost to dami da iram gitu dito yan.
Charming, isn't it? It's one of the later ones.
yeah, the weather's dry.
I live in Pontypridd, I do,
Oh,
love.
you're the pony boy.
Yeah, I'm a
You're
Ponty
lovely.
boy.
You're lovely people, you pony people.
Yeah, born and bred, love.
Thank you.